Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best kids Halloween costume that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Franklin Sports Kids Halloween costume. This year, get ready to score a touchdown with your child's Halloween costume. The Franklin Sports Kids Halloween costume is a spectacular choice. This combo isn't just another run-of-the-mill kids Halloween costume. It's a meticulously designed replica of a sports fan jersey, complete with a matching helmet. It also comes with a chin strap to complete the look. This jersey and helmet set aren't just about looks. Comfort is an essential focus for this option, and it shows. The set is a true one-size-fits-all, and it features the best-fitting jersey and helmet combo on the market. Try it out and let your kid be the MVP of their sports-themed Halloween outing this year. This kid's Halloween costume gets the top overall spot on this list for its creative design and versatile fit. Moving on at number 4, we have the Spooktacular Creations Kids Halloween costume. Get ready for the spooky season with the Spooktacular Creations Kids Halloween costume, a fantastic choice for your youngster's Halloween outfit. With an eye-catching red color, this ninja costume takes costume creativity to a whole new level, perfect for those Halloween dress-up parties. The costume fits true to size. Your little one will be excited to transform into a mysterious ninja in a blink with an impeccable fit. It's snug without being restrictive, which means there's plenty of room for those stealth ninja moves. You know the struggle of trying to get a kid into an overly complicated outfit. Frustrations can run high with costumes that come with a lot of pieces. With this kid's Halloween costume, you'll be pleasantly surprised. The design is user-friendly for a quick on and off experience that both you and your child will appreciate. It's safe to say that this kid's Halloween costume is a game changer. Your little ninja will be Halloween party ready in no time, and you'll love the hassle-free experience. At number 3, we have the Kaisbyle Kids Halloween costume. Unleash your child's inner princess with the Kaisbyle Kids Halloween costume. This outfit is perfect for girls who love to play dress-up, especially if they're fans of the beloved Encanto character. The costume is beautifully detailed with bright, colorful prints and made with soft, high-quality fabrics that are gentle on your child's skin. It's not just a simple kid's Halloween costume. It's a true fashion statement for your little one that can make every day feel like Halloween. This ensemble comes with a colorful bag, green round glasses, and cute clip-on palm earrings. These accessories bring the costume to life, allowing your child to step into the role of Princess Mirabelle. The glasses and earrings are also a nice touch, adding that extra bit of sparkle to make your kid feel special. Whether it's for a birthday party, Halloween, or just an average Tuesday, this costume will certainly bring a smile to your child's face. At number 2, we have the One Casa Kids Halloween costume. Wave goodbye to lackluster Halloween get-ups because the One Casa Kids Halloween costume is here to take your child's costume game to a new level of fun and excitement. With its T-Rex design, this airblow costume is not your typical Halloween outfit. It's an inflatable ride-on costume that's sure to turn heads and get lots of giggles. Suitable for kids aged 4 to 6 years, it's a hilarious fancy dress item that can transform an ordinary Halloween into an extraordinary one. As a parent, you'll love how it adds a unique twist to family entertainment. Imagine your child riding a T-Rex, the king of dinosaurs, in your living room. It's an absolute delight for the entire family. Kids simply adore this costume, not just because of its funny aesthetics but also for the imaginative play it sparks. It's a fun toy that can keep your child entertained for hours. The easy-to-wear design means your little one can quickly get in and out of it, making dress-up time less of a hassle. This kid's Halloween costume is the kind of surprise that can elicit squeals of joy from your child and become a cherished memory in your family's Halloween tradition. And finally at number 1, we have the Kangaroo Kids Halloween costume. Are you looking for a kid's Halloween costume that ticks all the right boxes? Look no further than the Kangaroo Kids Halloween costume. This 17-piece role-play cop costume comes with all the dress-up accessories your child needs to transform into a law enforcement officer. It includes a police hat, shirt, pants, belt, holster, and whistle, each piece more impressive than the last. This kid's Halloween costume set is the perfect pick for young kids. What sets it apart is the durable quality that kids love. They can enjoy hours of exciting play without any worries about wear and tear. The fitting is also a standout, catering specifically to your young ones, making it a must-have in their imaginative role-play collection. If you're looking for a costume that combines quality, fit, and fun, this kid's Halloween costume is one to consider.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.